Hi guys, we received this Type-C to Type-C 33 feet long charging cable for reviewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box. Okay, as you can see, you can use it to connect different kind of stuff. I'm gonna connect it my cell phone into my laptop. Okay, it has these Velcro straps to storage it, which is really nice. Okay, and as you can see, it's really long. Okay, so it's really nice to have a cable with that length, 33 feet, because sometimes you're giving a conference and you need to charge something, use something with a Type-C cable, and with this you can take it all around the room with you. Okay, you ain't gonna have any problem. It feels of excellent quality, I must say, and all the parts of this feels really great. Okay, so you can see I'm all the way across the room, and still I can take it from up on the table. You can see I had my laptop in here. I can still be using the Type-C charger. So it's really nice, perfect for any conference, exposition that you are gonna do, presentation, wherever you need a Type-C to Type-C cable with a nice length, it's perfect for you. So I will really recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.